Yeah, hi guys. How to play? This is a message I'm getting from my users. So, some people didn't understand like how to use. So, today I will explain every functionality and every option. So, you can use it from both website and application. We are moving our application into Google Play Store. It will take around maybe 4 to 5 days. So, within 5 days, app will be in the Play Store, so we'll be moving that. So for that kind of updates and everything, like kind of stats, team suggestions, everything, please join our telegram channel, that is contact underscore teams to win. Okay, so now I will explain like how it works, teams to win application works. Okay, so go to website, and when you're going to the listed matches, so you'll be able to see all the listed matches. So we'll be covering every maximum matches which is listed in Dream 11, so that you can play whatever match you want to create the Grand League teams. Now you just come here, select that particular match, and you can generate the teams. So now I just want to select this match, Women's Big Bash League. So I just click on generate teams here. Okay, so the user interface, the UI will be like this. So here there are a couple of options like choose your structure, wicket keepers, batsmen, all-rounder, bowler, favorite, and number of teams. So structure means, we have a couple of conditions in Dream 11, like in wicket keeper section we can select minimum 1 and maximum 4. Likewise in batsman section, minimum 3 and maximum 6. And all-rounder was the same, minimum 1 and maximum 4. And bowler, minimum 3 and maximum 6. So whenever we are creating a team, a specific consists of 11 teams now, so there will be around 19 to 20 different structures. So you can select what the structure you want to go with on that particular match. So I just want to go with 1 3 3 4. So likewise there are a couple of structures also. The evergreen structure and most GLs one by is 2 3 3. So this is the evergreen structures actually. So if you are observed like 100 grand leagues, 70 to 80% of the grand leagues with this structure only, 2 3 3 like that. Okay, so I will go yeah, same 2 3 3 I will go. So here I need to select two wicket keepers. I mean the structure will be two wicket keeper, three batsmen, three all-rounder, and three bowler. So here, so in this four section, wicket keeper, batsman, all-rounder, and bowler, you need to select 15 minimum, maximum 22. So out of the probable 11 from both sides, there from both sides is 22 members, right? Probable 11 from team A and probable 11 from team B. It will be 22, right? From that 22, you select minimum 15 and maximum 22. Okay, so I'm just selecting Betmooney, and somehow I'm selecting three people. So since I'm just going through with two triple structure, it depends upon your view. Like if you want to go with another structure, that's purely depends on you. Okay, you need not to depend on everyone. Okay, you just come here and select your structure and select the players, and Grand League teams will be ready in a click. Okay, so I'll go with Amazon. I'm just taking an example, friends. Okay, so take it is as example only. Okay, so LS one and what is it? Decline, do please. I will take this. Okay, all rounder Superland. Okay, likewise I will select a couple of players. It should be in between minimum 15 and the maximum 22. Okay, got my point. So count it. So 3, 6, 8, 10, 13, 15, 18, 20. Total I have selected 20 players. So this is, so you, when you click on submit, you will get all the possible teams with this 20 people. Okay, so all the possible teams which dream 11 condition is satisfied is 21. Okay, now come back. If you want any favorite players, favorite means fixed players. Okay, so we can select minimum 5 or maximum 7 fixed players. Favorite is nothing but fixed players. So these 5 or 7 will be there in every team if you select. So I'll just select Amy Jones. Should I select? So these 5 and 7 na, you should select from this 20 only. Whoever you select here, right? Maybe it 15, 16, 18 or 20. From these people only you have to select these favorites. Okay. So I'll just select Amy Jones. Okay, and Erin Osborne, na? So all rounder Erin Osborne, Emma King, Catherine Brandt, and Beth Mooney. I'll go with another all rounder, Natira Stewart, and Beth Mooney. Yeah, Beth Mooney. Just type it also, you will get it here. Okay, so you need to drag and till last. So you just type it, and name will be displayed. Beth Mooney. So I selected five, nine, six, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I selected 6 favorite players. These are the fixed players. Okay, so they will be in every team. So these 6 or 5 or 7 should be from these selected players only. Okay, so now click on submit. How many you got? 11. See, so all possibility teams like within 100 credits and maximum 7 members from one team. Okay, all the conditions were satisfied and we got 21, and if we select favorite players we got 11. Okay, observe clearly friends. Okay, and come back. Number of teams is an option where user can select. Okay, so if any match particularly where we can generate more than 55 or 66 and user want to just go with 11 or 22, then he can select 11 or anything. If you observe with the favorites we got 11 na? If you click on 22 we get 11 only. Just check why, because these are the 11 which are satisfied with the dream 11 conditions. Okay, with the favorite selection. If you remove it, okay, so if you remove it we have the count of 21 na? If you observe, first we got all the possibility teams, right? 21. So then click on submit, you will get 21. Okay, so consider we got all the possible team was 66 or anywhere 60, then you need only 22. That time it show only 22 teams. Okay, so this way you can create your own grand league teams, friends. You need not to depend on anyone. If you have little knowledge and if you can refer any blog, okay, anyone, any YouTuber, any free Telegram channels who can provide you the stats and who can provide you the information, so you can just collect that information, come back to our application, and just trust me, maximum of 3 to 5 minutes you will get your entire grand league teams. You need not to do any paperwork, you need not to spend more time. Okay, so sometimes at last minute now you will get confused and you will miss couple of combination, or else you will miss captaincy and vice captaincy choices, right? So that will be not there here. Okay, so it will be helpful to anyone and any manner. So we are introducing everything, so you need not to go anywhere also. So we are just planning for what we say uh, blog within our website. So it was under maintenance. Okay, so maybe 3 4 days maximum. So we just integrating everything. We are under maintenance actually, blog section. Here whenever you are clicking on blog, here whenever you are clicking on the blog na, so you are able to search about stats, teams prediction and everything. You need not to go anywhere. You just come here, come to our blog page. Okay, so go through the stats, predictions or points, inputs, everything, and come back to the main website, or come back to the application and select that particular matches, click on generate teams. Okay, so after that you know the process, as simple as that, friends. So you, as I said, you need not to depend on every body, like, so you are the whole and sole person who can create your own Grand League teams. Okay, so I can put one point here. Whenever there is high credit issues, that kind of matches, it will be really helpful. Okay, you not to spend your entire time. Okay, so what happens sometimes in the last minute, tensions or a couple of like high credit issues or anything, I mean major players are missing. So that in that tension you will miss a couple of combinations, and you will miss captaincy and vice captaincy things. So that you don't find here. You please quit, like quite easy, like using the application. Okay, so maximum of 5 minutes you need. Okay, so that's it. And we are just integrating our application to the Play Store, and it may take 5 days of time. So it will be here only. Whenever you are clicking on download app, it will route to Google Play Store, and you can download over there. So now also you can download the application. It will be an APK format like Dream 11. You can install it. That's it, friends, from my side. I hope I answered everything. So in case if you have still any issues or any, like you are facing any trouble or any kind of bugs or errors, you try to reach us. This is our Telegram channel, like @contact underscore teams to win. And I request please comment on below of this video, so that we can understand. Try to use application and come back to the video, and please give us your suggestions and your experience. We need your experience, like how it is, how of the application. So we don't need anything, we just need your love. And please like the video and subscribe the channel, so that we are trying to do the things in a bigger way. So we need a motivation for that actually. So for that reason only, we are requesting you to bring us your love to us. Okay, so please join our Telegram channel @contact teams to win, to find out the every update over there. And as I said, please subscribe to the channel also, YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys, and love you. Thank you, bye.